All right, let's make some fucking fireballs here. First, I'm going to look through my library and see what kind of fire sounds I can drop on the timeline. Then I'm going to use one of my favorite plugins, Shaperbox by Cable Guys. I'm going to set this up so that every time I press a key on the keyboard, you can hear it acting on the signal. You could just make a bus and group all your sounds together, and that sounds cool, but the point of duplicating this is so each layer can have its own envelopes. That way you could have one texture come slightly staggered from the rest. So now I can use Variator to stagger the positions of these items and get different results. Last thing is to add some group effects, and I'm going to put a doppler on here and get some of that nice whooshy movement. That's it.